Properties of integers under multiplication.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers. All natural numbers along with 0 form group of whole numbers. Whole numbers along with negative numbers form group of integers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's learn some of the properties of integers under multiplication. Closure property. If a and b are two integers, then their multiplication a into b is also an integer. For example, 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 30 is an integer. 0 multiplied by 7 equals to 0 is an integer. 24 multiplied by minus 8 equals to minus 192 is an integer. So the collection of integers is closed under multiplication. Commutative property. Integers a and b can be multiplied in any order. A into b equals to b into a. For example, 5 multiplied by minus 6 is equals to minus 30. And if order is changed, then minus 6 multiplied by 5 is also minus 30. Therefore, 5 into minus 6 equals to minus 6 into 5. Similarly, 0 into 7 equals to 7 into 0, which is equals to 0. And 234 multiplied by 88 is equals to 88 into 234, which is equals to 20,592. So, multiplication of integers is commutative.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Associative property. Multiplication of integers a, b and c can be grouped in any way. A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Example, 10 into minus 13 into 7 can be solved by grouping 10 and minus 13 or by grouping minus 13 and 7. The result is similar. So multiplication of integers is associative. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. For integers a, b and c, multiplication can be distributed over addition. A into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. For example, 5 into 9 plus 6 can be solved by performing addition and then multiplication, which gives result 75. Similarly, it can be solved by using distributive property of multiplication, which also gives the same result, that is 75. In both ways, result is same. So, multiplication can be distributed over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. For integers a, b and c, the multiplication can be distributed over subtraction. A into b minus c is equals to a into b minus a into c. For example, 5 into 9 minus 6 can be solved by performing subtraction and then multiplication, which gives result 15. Similarly, it can also be solved by using distributive property of multiplication, which gives answer 15. In both ways, result is same. So, multiplication can be distributed over subtraction.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Multiplicative identity property. If 1 is multiplied with any integer a, the result is same integer again. A into 1 equals to a. For example, 5 into 1 equals to 5, minus 15 into 1 equals to minus 15, 1254 into 1 equals to 1254. So when multiplied with 1, the value or identity of an integer remains same. Therefore, 1 is the multiplicative identity of an integer. Multiplication by 0. The multiplication of an integer a and 0 is always 0. For example, 25 into 0 equals to 0. Also, 0 into 25 equals to 0. Minus 55 into 0 is equals to 0. Multiplication by minus 1. If an integer a is multiplied by minus 1, then the result is additive inverse of integer a. Additive inverse is also called opposite of a number. A into minus 1 is equals to minus 1 into a, which is equals to minus a. Thus, for finding the additive inverse of an integer, we multiply it by minus 1.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Example, find the product minus 20 into minus 2 into 17 into minus 5. Since the problem consists of positive as well as negative numbers, so this example is about multiplication of integers. We can carry out multiplication of two integers at a time, but to make calculations simple, we use properties of integers under multiplication. Making a calculation simple does not have any hard and fast rule. We have to observe the numbers and ask ourselves whether product of these two will be simple of these two. Someone can find this product simple, then solving this we get plus 40 as product of two negative integers is positive. Then with the help of commutative property, we can change the order like this. Multiplication of 40 and minus 5 is minus 200. Finally, multiplying these two numbers, we get the answer minus 3400. Someone find it better to change the order like this and then form group of these two numbers, solving which gives 10. Then multiplying it with minus 20 makes minus 200, which on multiplication with 17 results minus 3400.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Next example, Abha purchased 7 notebooks at a cost of rupees 16 each. She also purchased 3 pens at the same cost. How much money she should give to the shopkeeper? Solution. From any shop, Abha purchased 7 notebooks and 3 pens. The cost of each notebook as well as each pen is same, that is 16 rupees each. So total cost for 7 notebooks is equals to 7 times rupees 16. Similarly, total cost for 3 pen can be calculated as 3 times rupees 16. The total money that she should give to shopkeeper is equals to total cost of 7 notebooks and 3 pens, which is equals to 7 into 16 plus 3 into 16. We can solve individual products and then find their sum to find the answer. Rupees 112 plus rupees 48 is equals to rupees 160.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
However, with the help of distributive property, This problem can be solved in simple way. Let's see how. 7 into 16 plus 3 into 16 can be written as 7 plus 3 into 16, which is equals to 10 into 16, which is equals to rupees 160. You should always try to make the calculations simple by using the properties of integers under various operations very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.